Well, here's this very grungy Holley 750 that actually come off the Chevelle. I guess that's the one we had a little fire with. But anyway, yeah, it pretty dirty old carb, 750 double pump. And you know what? I think I might as well rebuild it. Currently wasn't going to use it, but now I'm kind of thinking, why wouldn't I? So I'm going to rebuild it, see how the shafts and stuff are on it, and I'll show you some of that along the way. Guys want attention, of course. But yeah, we'll show you some more of this grungy carb along the way.
But it had a plastic thing you took off.
Okay, yeah, it was still brand new. So there's the carburetor out of the Chevelle. We'll get it cleaned up today. We've tried a few different things. We found a jug of something that's been around here for probably 20 years or longer. I owned it maybe. Don't even remember it. We'll pour a little bit of it on. We'll try the brushing it around. And then we'll try our ultrasonic cleaner and see if we can get this thing looking a whole bunch better than it does. So we'll come back and show you that in a bit. Okay, and there it is in the ultrasonic cleaner. If I can hold it up. Maybe you can hold it up. We'll take that out of there and we'll show you guys how clean it got, for one thing. We've got to pull it all apart now. We'll soak it all individually. And then we'll get a kit for this thing and rebuild it. We got one other carb that we cleaned up in that stuff. 750 vacuum secondary. We'll put it in next. And we'll pull them all apart, soak them again, and give it a good clean job. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, carb parts stripped down, back into the bubble bath. Okay, we got the carb all apart and mostly cleaned up. We gave it a pretty good bath. It still needs a few wipes and a little bit of blowing. So yeah, we'll do that. We'll start laying out all the pieces. I've got a carb kit for it now. And so yeah, we'll start laying this thing out and see if we can put it back together. Okay. I'll let you guys watch that. I'll set something up so you guys can watch some of it, and we'll kind of bomb through it. It'll be a piece by piece breakdown for now. But yeah, I keep all the old gaskets so I can compare them. Got all the old ones. And we'll get this guy back together, and then the carb will be done. So that'll be nice. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, got the Holley rebuild kit, and I noticed a couple things funny, so I think what I better do first is just compare some of the gaskets and make sure that they match my old ones. So I always keep my old gaskets around till I'm done matching on just about everything that I do. Okay, so the carb body to the base, we have a match. That's a good sign. Put him right there. One of the metering block ones here. Put them guys there because I don't currently need them. There. I notice this one is bang on the same, like there's two the same. So is there something so close that I'm missing it? Yeah, kind of. Okay, that one does look bang on. Make sure you hold them the right way. This one's just got bigger holes. Can you get all three to line up? No. No, not that way. What do you need, Hirsch? So this one is very close. So you do have to look at them closely. I did have the right one flukily the first time, but yeah, you do have to look at them closely. So you need another can, Hirsch? Huh? Oh, got a hungry dog. So okay, metering block. Of course, they only go on one way too. Okay, we're golden there. They only give me 2 metering block gaskets in there, and they happen to be the right ones. So I just look, make sure I can see light through them all. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll look at both sides. But yeah, they're correct, which is a good sign. Okay, float bowls. Looks like this one's good too. Can't hang on to it, but it's good. So yeah, that is good news. Now the only thing I'm a little bit confused about, so I don't know. Okay, so this other one was hid inside of that one. So there was I think they go 30 cc and 50 cc. So I did get the two I need. So some of these may be in another kit or whatever, because sometimes they make these kits fit a few carbs. Must have the bigger accelerator pump. Okay, so I'm happy about that. I got both right ones. So that's a good sign. Probably start with the main body and putting him back together. Some of this stuff I'm still going to blow and scrape and blow a little bit just to make sure we've got everything. And they used to, yeah, it's buried down there. They used to give you a nice diagram with these. They gave me 3 different power valves. We'll see which one this is. I might have to get a magnifying glass to read it. My x-ray vision doesn't work like it used to. Although it was only one eye that had it, ever. Okay. Yeah, and they do give a nice schematic. Almost need x-ray vision for that too. Okay, perfect. Good deal. Okay, now I notice I still got some crud on here. Kind of no matter what we did, we still seem to have a little bit of crud. I think I have another tray. That being the case, I think I will grab it and then see if I can't scrub some of this crud off. I was using some paint thinner, seemed to work really good the other day, and I've still got some gasket material stuck to the bottom of this. So I'm going to grab another tray and yeah, and then I'll be right back. Okay, back with a little bit of thinner and a tray. Leave that there, maybe not there, right there. And we'll pour a little bit of thinner on this guy. I got a few brushes around. Maybe brush them. I think I got some with some brass type bristles on them, so maybe the thinner won't hurt them. Some plastics it don't like. They don't like it, one of the two. This is going to be a process. I'm not going to get it all done today because there's just Not enough time and too much cleaning, I think. So I'm not going to rush it. Need another light here is what I need. Yeah, maybe grab myself a trouble light and prop it up over here. I didn't realize how dark it was here. This one will shed a little light. Don't really have any place I can prop it. Maybe right there. Yeah, it'll work. As long as I don't look at it, it'll work. Okay, little brushes. Uh-huh. No, I seen them the other day, but somebody found a better place for them now. I'm not sure where that's at. Use the Scotch pad. That'll work for some of it. Yeah, nasty wind going on outside today, like, I don't know, 80 winds. So you can kind of hear it through the shop here, so it's a good day for inside stuff. Okay. Most of that is just staining, but if I drag the razor blade across, it doesn't really scratch anything. It just scrapes any gasket material off. Now I just use a little bit of sandpaper. Just make sure everybody's flat. No kernels are sticking up. We'll have to give it a good blow again after. You see I got one plug on there that needs to come off. Now I am going to have to find those brushes because they'll be ideal for some of what I'm doing right here, right now. And I want to make sure this thing is pretty spotless time I'm done. So it don't have any little orifices plugged, air holes, bleeds. Rubber gloves kind of help, but that thinner's hard on them, so they only last so long. They're pretty tough gloves too. Thinner is super cold today. Okay, I'm going to see if I can find at least one of those brushes. I think they'll help scrub this up. Like I said, I want it nice and clean. So